rock sliders. Not too exciting, or really exciting. Depends how you feel about it. So here it came with a plastic side step. That just wasn't going to do the job. So I went with rock sliders. I went with the LOD Signature Series rock sliders, which are a frame-mounted rock slider using existing mounting points on the frame. It doesn't require any drilling, with one exception, and that's the forward bolt on the passenger side. That's the mounting point that does require drilling on the passenger side. It's really kind of a tight area, so you may need a right angle air drill to get to that. I'm not certain that a standard drill will get the job done, which is exactly why I haven't gotten around to putting that bolt in just yet. I have had this out on the rocks, and I haven't had any issues despite lacking that particular bolt. The driver's side does have a bolt in that position in the frame naturally, so didn't have to drill that out. So like I mentioned, these do bolt to the frame, using, for the most part, existing holes and bolt locations. I really like the look of these rock sliders, and I think I'll probably at least consider LOD when it comes to bumpers for the Jeep, which will be not too far in the future. The step is just wide enough that you can get a foot on there with no problem. I don't have any measurements, but if you look at my foot, it's pretty much a shoe width. They're not so obtrusive and difficult to get over. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you out there.